Hello, word wizards and document dynamos. Welcome to Only Tech Mind, your ultimate Microsoft Word headquarters. If you're eager to unravel the full potential of this word processing powerhouse, you've found your tribe. From nifty tips and tricks that'll supercharge your productivity to in-depth tutorials on mastering the art of formatting, we've got your back. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a moment of our Microsoft Word magic, and be sure to give our videos a thumbs up if you find them helpful. In this video, I'm going to explain Home tab in Word. The Home tab in Microsoft Word is one of the primary tabs in the ribbon interface. It contains a wide range of tools and commands that are essential for basic text formatting, editing, and document styling. Microsoft Word Home tab provides many features to users, including the following. Change the size, type, and color of the font. You can make text bold or italic. Add or take away the color around the text that stands out. Text on a page can be aligned to the left, center, or right. Add lists with bullet points or numbers. Change the space between lines and paragraphs. Change the amount of space between lines of text. Text boxes, and tables can have borders added, changed, or taken away. Add or modify heading types. Here's a comprehensive explanation of the Home tab's functionalities. Clipboard. Cut, copy, paste. These commands allow you to manipulate text and content within your document. Cut removes selected text. Copy duplicates it, and paste places copied or cut content into the document. Format Painter. This tool lets you copy the formatting of a selected text and apply it to other parts of the document. Font. Select a font for your text from the drop-down list. Font size. Choose the size of your text using the drop-down list. Increase font size, decrease font size. These buttons adjust the font size incrementally. Bold, italic, underline. Apply these formatting options to your selected text. Font color. Change the color of your text. Clear formatting. Removes all formatting from selected text, reverting it to the default style. Paragraph. Alignment. Set the alignment of your text to left, center, right, or justified. Line spacing. Choose single, 1.5 lines, double, or custom line spacing. Spacing before, spacing after. Adjust spacing above or below paragraphs. Bullets. Numbering. Create bulleted or numbered lists. Multi-level list. Create lists with multiple levels of indentation. Increase indent, decrease indent. Adjust paragraph indentation. Styles. Quick styles. Apply predefined styles to selected text for consistent formatting. Change styles. Access a list of styles and apply them to text, paragraphs, or headings. Editing. Find. Search for specific text or elements in the document. Replace. Replace specific text with another term or phrase. Select. Select various elements such as words, sentences, paragraphs, or the entire document. Select all. Highlight all content in the document. Cut. Copy, paste. Similar to the clipboard group, these commands provide quick access. Voice. The voice group has a dictation command that lets you speak into your computer and have it turn it into text. Both the desktop version of Word 2019 and the online version, Office 365, have the dictation feature. Now, I will show you hands-on practice that how you can do formatting to your text. Thanks for tuning into this Microsoft Word Masterclass with Only Tech Mind. If you found these tips valuable, be sure to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more exciting word journeys ahead. Until next time, keep wording brilliantly.